Good morning, class. Today, we are going to continue our lesson regarding measurement, and we are going to discuss the metric system. At the end of this video lesson, you must be able to first convert measurements from one unit to another in the metric system and solve problems involving conversion of units of measurement in the metric system. So in this video lesson, we are going to discuss three metric measures. What are those? The metric measure for length, for capacity, and for mass. Let us first take a look at the different unit of measures in measuring length. Okay, so in measuring length, you have these different measurements. So you have here the units and you have here the symbols. In measure of length, we are going to use the meter as the base unit, and the symbol for meter is M. And we're going to put prefixes to meter to create another unit of measures. So we have kilometer, so the prefix is kilo. Second one is hectometer, the prefix is hecto. The third one is deca, the prefix is deca, followed by the base unit, which is meter. And then you have the deci, you have the centi, and then you have the prefix milli. Okay, and for kilometer, we are going to use the symbol. So let us take the first letter of the prefix kilo. So that's K, and just put M. So KM means kilometer. So we're going to do the same with hectometer. Hectometer is HM. And then decameter, since we have two units which start with letter D, we use deca as DA. We use DA for deca. Okay? And then meter is M. And then you have for deci, you have DM. And for centimeter, you have CM. And lastly, for millimeter, you have MM. So if you're going to take a look, again, kilometer is KM, hectometer is HM, decameter is DAM, meter is M, decimeter is DM, centimeter is CM, and then millimeter is MM. So as you can see, there are 3 units above meter and 3 units below meter. So we're going to use that later on in converting measures. So how about the measure of capacity? So in measuring capacity in the metric system, you have the unit which ends with liter. So we are going to put liter in the middle. So this will serve as our base unit kasi wala siyang prefix. Mamaya malaman nyo kung bakit yun yung base kasi sa kanya tayo magsisimula later on. So we are going to use the same prefixes. You have kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. So as you can see, liter has a capital letter L for its symbol. And let's do the same. Let's have KL for kiloliter. Hectoliter is HL. That's right. How about deca? So deca is DA. And then you put L. Liter is capital letter L. Deciliter is DL. Centiliter is CL. Milliliter is ML. But for measuring capacity, the widely used units are the kiloliter, liter, and milliliter. The others are seldom used. And for the last one, for this video, we have the metric measure of mass. Ano naman po mga ginagamit na unit of measurements sa metric system kapag mass yung pinag-uusapan natin? Okay, you have here gram or grams. So we are going to put the same prefixes kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. So kung mapapansin natin na napapalitan lang is yung gram, nagiging meter siya kapag length, nagiging liter naman siya kapag capacity. So these are the symbols. You have kg, hg, dag, g, dg, cg, and mg. Okay, so now that you already know the different metric measures, so let's go back to the symbols for length and capacity. So ayan po, pare-parehas lang po. Napapalitan lang yung M, L, and then G for mass. So let us now try to convert. How to convert from one unit to another. Let's say we are going to deal with converting length. For this video, I have prepared 3 examples for each. I think I am going to show you the first two examples, the solution for the first two, and I'll give you time to do the last example. Okay, for number one, you are going to convert 6.2 kilometers to meters, convert 5,470 centimeters to meters, and for you, express 43 decameter as millimeter. So for number one, how do we convert 6.2 meters to how do we convert 6.2 kilometers to meters? So actually, there is a method that deals with or that involves the power of 10. But in this video lesson, I'm going to show you the shortcut or the easiest way to convert this unit of measures. So again, let us take a look back at the units and the symbols for kilometers, meters, or the units of length. Okay, so you have this table. And for this, as you can see, we have here 7 units. We're going to put the units on a metric line. So this is a line. We're going to put the 7 units in here. So from top to bottom, we're going to write that from left to right. So kilometer will be here. Hectometer will be here. Followed by decameter. And then you have here the meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. That's why I suggest you should memorize the correct arrangement from the highest one, from kilometer, going down to millimeter, because that will help you to convert measures of length, capacity, and mass the easiest way and the fastest way, I think. Okay, so how do we do that? So we're going to convert 6.2 kilometers to meters first. Let us write down the given 6.2. So as I said, this is a shortcut. The second way, or the second step is to locate the decimal point. So you have your decimal point here, somewhere here. And then, kung saan po tayo magagaling kilometer, we are going to locate kilometer in our metric line. And then we are going to target meter. Papunta po tayo kay meter. So from kilometer, going to meter, we are just going to count how many moves are we going to make. That means the movement of the decimal point. So this is kilometer and this is meter. Let us count. So you have here 1, 2, 3. So from kilometer, we are going to move 3 moves going to the right. So if this is your decimal point, we are going to move 3 units to the right. You have here 1, 2, 3. And then lilipat na po dito ang decimal point. How about these empty spaces? You are going to fill this in by zeros. Okay, so what is our new number now? You have 6,200. If the decimal point is located in the end, tapos wala na siyang number na kasunod, pwede na po natin hindi isulat ang ating decimal point. So 6.2 kilometers is 6,200. Now, the unit of this is meters. So, ganun lang po kasimple ang pag-convert using the technique, just moving the decimal point to the left or to the right. Okay, so let us take another example. So, if you are going to convert 5,470 centimeters to meters. So, in this conversion, our target is to convert centimeters to meters. So, this is the metric line. So, first, write down the given. You have 5,470. And then, let us locate the decimal point. As you can see, wala po siyang decimal point. So, just like in our previous lesson, kapag walang decimal point, nandito po siya sa dulo. And then, next, centimeters to meters po tayo. So, this is sa centimeters here. Papunta po tayo sa meters. So, let us count. So, mapapansin natin, going to the left naman po siya. So, centimeters to meter, you have 1 and then 2. We are going to move 2 units or 2 moves going to the left. So, if this is the decimal point, pa-left po tayo, you have 1, 2. So, this will be the new position of your decimal point. So, the final answer will be 54.70. And the unit now is already meters. So, pwede yung tanggalin yung 0, 54.7, pwede naman pong hindi. Yan. So that's how we convert the measure of length using this method. Okay, so paano kaya natin madaling masasaulo itong ating pagkakasunod-sunod ng kilometer, hectometer, going down to millimeter? So there is a mnemonic device, a technique, another technique para po masaulo yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng kilometer to millimeter. So I think when you were in elementary, siguro may iba sa inyo na naturo na ito ng mga teachers nila. Okay, paano kaya? So let's use that in example number 3. Express 43 DAM is decameters as millimeters. So ito yung technique para masaulo natin yung ating pagkakasunod-sunod. You have to memorize this sentence. This is very easy naman. You have King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. So yung nasa gitna nating while, this is the base that is meters. And then kung mapapansin nyo, si King nag-start sa K, si Henry sa H, si died sa D, si drinking sa D, si chocolate sa C, si milk ay sa M. So King stands for kilo. Dugsungan lang natin ng M, kilometer. Henry stands for hecto. Dugsungan natin ng M, that's hectometer. Died, died. So that is DA, decameter. And then yung while, yung ating base unit na meter. Drinking is another D, so that's deci. Chocolate starts with C, so that's centi. And milk starts with M, so that's millimeter. So, yan po. Ganyan lang po kasimple. King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. So, I think if you are going to repeat that many times, masasaulo niyo po siya. So, hindi niyo malilimutan yung proper arrangement from the prefix kilo going down to milli. Okay, so while I am explaining this sentence, King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk, so I think you already have your answer. So in converting 43 decameter to millimeter, you have here deca. Going to milli, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to move 4 units to the right. So what is your answer? So the correct answer is, you may pause the video and then try to answer that so that you may check if you get the lesson or not. So the correct answer is 430,000 millimeter. So if you got it correctly, congratulations. That means you already know how to convert using this technique. Okay, let us now take a look at converting capacity. So in capacity, liters naman yung ginagamit natin na unit. And then meron tayong mga prefixes din. So we have 3 examples here again. Convert 6,000 milliliters to liters. Express 38 liters as milliliters. And the last one, convert 25.46 milliliters to kiloliters. So let me show you the first one. The first example, you have 6,000 centiliters to liters. So we will use the same line. Ganun pa rin po si King Henry. King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. By this time, hindi na M yung pangdugsong natin. L naman. Kasi we are talking about capacity here. So if you're going to convert 6,000 centiliters, so again, wala siyang decimal point, so nasa dulo siya. So from centi going to liters, so we are going to count 1, 2. So we are going to move 2 movements to the left. So you have here 1 and then 2. So doon na po siya. So magiging 60.00. You can omit these 2 zeros. So the final answer is 60 liters. Okay, that's how you convert capacity. Kagaya lang po siya ng length. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Okay? And then the next one, you have express 38 liters as milliliters. Okay? You may pause the video and then you can try to answer. So 38 liters going to milliliters. You can also count without writing curved lines. Pwede po gamitin ang mental counting. So from liters to mLs. So, okay, I reveal the answer now. So the answer is 38,000 milliliters. So we are going to move how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 movements going to the right. And for example, number 3, you are going to express or convert 25.46 milliliters to deciliters. So from ml to dl, we are going to move how many? So you have here 1 and 2. So just move the decimal point to 1 and 2. So you have 0.2546. So I hope you pause the video again. And then you can put 0 here para mapansin yung ating decimal point. And do not forget to affix the unit deciliters. So this is our final answer. Okay? So I hope you find it easy. So that's the same. The same applies with converting mass. Mababago lang po ulit dito yung unit natin. Instead of meters and liters, we're going to use grams. So for number 1, convert 9.5 kilograms to grams. Number 2, convert 12.4 decagrams to decigrams. And lastly, convert 29 milligrams to hectograms. So we will do the same. We will use the same line. Papalitan lang natin yung L ng G. Because we're talking about mass. Yan. Okay, let's convert 9.5 kilograms to grams. So from kilograms, let's count 1, 2, 3. We're going to move decimal point 3 units to the right. And you may pause the video. Okay, and the answer is 9,500 grams. Okay. Ganyan lang po siya kasimple. And for example, number 2, convert 12.4 decagrams to decigrams. So from decagrams to decigrams, you have 1 and 2. 2 movements going to the right. So the final answer ulit, i-pause nyo ulit muna, is 1,240 decigram. Okay? And lastly, let us convert 29 milligrams to hectograms. So milligram is from here, and we're going to convert that going to hectograms. So count in your mind. So you have here how many counts or how many movements. We're going to move 5 moves going to the left. So the final answer is 0.00029 hectogram. And again, you can put 0 in here para mapansin yung ating decimal point. So I hope you gained something. Diba napakasimple lang naman po. And pahabol natin, let us try to solve problems involving conversion of units. So I have here 2 problems na napakasimple lang naman. Let us try to analyze these 2 problems. Okay, for problem number 1, yan, a track and field athlete ran a distance of 5.8 kilometers and another distance of 3.9 kilometers. How many meters did he run? So if you're going to take a look at the problem, yung athlete daw, yung manlalaro ng track and field, ang tinakbo niya is 5.8 kilometers and another 3.9 kilometers. So kung mapapansin natin, yung tinakbo niya is expressed in kilometers, but in the question, you are asked how many meters did he run? Pero ang tanong sa atin, ilang metro yung tinakbo niya? So ano muna ang ating gagawin in this example? Kung tumakbo si athlete ng 5.8 kilometers and 3.9 kilometers, how many is the total number of kilometers na tinakbo niya? So we are going to add first. So 5.8 kilometers. I-add natin si 3.9 kilometers. So I think you can add this easily. Okay, so you have 8 plus 9 is 17, carry 1. So you have here 9.7 kilometers. So kung mapapansin niyo, kilometers pa po itong ating unit. Pero ang tanong sa atin is how many meters? Meaning to say, you are going to convert 9.7 kilometers pa going to meters. So if you're going to imagine our metric line from kilometer going to meter, we are going to move 3 units going to the right. And if you're going to locate the decimal point that's here, you move these 3 units to the right, your final answer will be 9,700 meters. So the athlete ran a total distance of 9,700 meters. Okay? So this is step number 1 and this is step number 2. So in-add muna natin, then we convert. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na 9.7 kilometers ang final answer because the question is how many meters did he run? So yun lang, ganyan lang po. Basic problem lang din. Nag-aano lang tayo ng conversion in the end. Okay, another problem. Problem number 2, you have the content of 1 pack of powdered juice is 750 grams. If there are 8 packs of powdered juice, how many kilograms are there in total? So the given here are 750 grams ang bawat isang pack ng powdered juice, and we have 8 packs. And the question is how many kilograms are there in total? So in this problem, we are going first, step 1 is to multiply 750 grams ang isang pack. So if there are 8 grams, so we are going to multiply 750 by 8. Okay, so you have 0 times 8 is 0, 5 times 8 is 40, carry 4, 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4, that's 6,000. So this 6,000 is expressed in grams kasi 750 grams yung ginamit natin. But the question is how many kilograms are there in total? So meaning to say this answer should be converted into kilograms. If you're going to think of our line, so from grams going to kilograms, we are going to move the decimal point 3 moves going to the left. And if you are going to do that, your final answer will be 6 kilograms. Yan. So, sa problem solving, hindi po kagad-agad ito na agad ang sagot. Basahin po mabuti kung ano ba yung tinatanong sa atin. Okay? So, I hope you gained something sa atin pong learning activities sa modules. Marami pa pong examples doon sa learning activities natin. May mga problems din. So, I will be uploading another video with regards to converting measurements in the English system naman po. So, ito po ay metric system pa lang. So, again, in converting, the easiest way, just move the decimal point to the left or to the right, depending upon the number of movement sa ating kailangang i-convert. So, to help you do that, just memorize this device. So, King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. So, yung while natin against the base unit, for length, that is meters, for capacity, that is liters, and for mass, that is grams. Kaya siya tinawag na base, siya kasi yung dinudugsungan noong ating prefixes. Okay, so King stands for kilo, Henry stands for hecto, died stands for deca, drinking stands for deci, chocolate stands for centi, and milk stands for milli. Okay, so good luck in answering all the learning tasks and learning activities for this lesson. Have a great day and may God bless us all.